With the app approach, we want to help everyone affected by COVID-19 by creating events that will be beneficial to their mental and physical health. The app has an inclusive character and is available to all people of all ages. It's hard to find everything you need in one app, so we created an app that has multiple features. The application is not just a calendar with the events, but a way for them to socialize with their friends and listen to music. With this initiative, they can have more time for self-care and socialize by attending to our fun and relaxing events. With the testing and the guidance of our mentor, we decided that our app wasn't complete and we want to cover and help all the community of São João da Madeira instead of just helping healthcare professionals. And it is through this desire that, in addition to health professionals, we intend to extend our project to other people, in order to transmit practices, concepts, and experiences that will be essential for their physical and psychological well-being. To meet this idea, we intend to expand the possibilities and options available in our application. We've added new features, such as a profile where you can access a calendar with all the events you've booked and already done, a section with a chat so they can talk to other users, a section where they can give feedback on events and rate them, and finally a section where you can make some contributions to help us create the best events.
To evaluate the success of our app, we need to see how the users are reacting in the app and their feedback about the events. That's why we added the sections of feedback and rating the events in the app, so they can write their opinions about the events and rate them. After receiving the feedback, we will improve the events according to their preferences and likes. This means that we will be in a continuous change to give the user the best experience. For us, the success of the app is measured by the happiness of our users after our events. Knowing that we contribute to their mental and physical health, providing them the best social and well-being experiences, means that our goals with the app are working. To make our app, we need some partners of different fields. First, we need to find some programming company to create our app and use some of the budget for that. We also need to find the right professionals for all the events we'll have in our app, and depending on the event we will also need to rent some places. Other thing that could be discussed later is the need of paying publicity, digital and physical, to promote our events. The next phase is a partnership with a technology company to program our application. Keeping up with our new times, we want to be a project that is not only innovative but also sustainable. And we are looking over the days to find new ways to bring this concept into our application. At first, we thought about the possibility of each activity available on our platform having a symbolic cost associated with it. However, and in line with two of the founding pillars of this project, approximation and inclusion, we seek that everyone can have the possibility of accessing the available content. Each person makes the contribution they want to make. We believe that in this way we will be able to reach a greater number of people without leaving anyone behind.
Our app can be integrated and expanded into NES operation as we continue to evolve our app with more functionalities. The events in our app can be adapted for different locations in Portugal and created by each Red Cross local branch. The app will promote all events with a very well-organized system. This will allow for a greater relationship with all Red Cross local branches in Portugal, and the users will be able to create more social connections. The app is totally flexible to our users, and the events are changing according to their context. The continuous adaptation of the events is a challenge that we have always in mind. So, we create an app that can easily change and adapt all the time. Thus, people will be able to give suggestions for improvements to try to understand if, in fact, we are having the desired results. Furthermore, although this application was created with a more specific focus, mental health, We believe that we can extend this spectrum to other areas of influence. In this sense, through the social problem that we intend to fight, we can reach other social cases. That is, the area that we select can be a way to find new areas that can be explored from our application. In this way, we try to be as comprehensive as possible, looking for new ways to help people.